So here we go then. Today we're going to show you a great customization for your Fire Stick, Fire TV device, Fire TV Cube, any Fire TV device which you stream on your TV. As you will notice, I am on my Fire Stick right there, and you'll see the screensaver isn't your normal screensaver. That screensaver can be anything, and I'm going to show you how to do it. If you know already how to do this, let me know underneath. Do watch through, it helps me out. If you don't know how to do this, also let me know underneath. This is a brand new tip to you, and I'm going to show you how to upload your own photos to be that screensaver. Before we do that though, if you can, do remember to hit that subscribe button if you're brand new here. Again, if you've already seen this and you know what you're doing, there's plenty of other videos which may help you out. We've got loads of stuff from streaming, Netflix, Fire Sticks, all other devices, and I'm going to show you how to now get that Fire Stick looking crisp and awesome, ready for your big screen TV. So here we have it then. What we have is my Fire Stick. This is it. This is my screensaver. Normally on a Fire Stick, you get many screensavers of maybe areas around the world, ones which are generic on all Fire Sticks. But you can change this. You can make it whatever you want. Literally, it could be pictures of your family. It could be your photo album. It can be anything. But I'm going to show you how to pick specific photos instead of having all your photos linked in. You will need a mobile phone is the easiest way, as well as your Fire Stick, Fire TV remote. So the first thing is you're in your settings, go to display and audio. You need to go to the screensaver options, okay? Screensaver is here. Here you can pick your current screensaver, how you want it to run, so slide style, dissolve, or whichever. Slide speed, how often you want it to come on. I've got it at 5 minutes for this demonstration. You can have it 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or never. If you want to turn it off full stop, there's your option as well. And what you need to do, customize it how you want there. In here, you have your options. And normally, a lot of people would have Amazon collection. So you'll see it in the background now. You get all these images through. What I've got is an option called Fire Stick. You can have it as recent photos, your current photos, or daily memories. I like to have my own folder in there called Fire Stick, because the last thing you want is recent photos and some picture of you out, whatever, or whatever photos you send around coming up on your big screen TV when your kids are watching or when someone's visiting. So you want your actual folder itself. So what we're going to do is we are going to, let me find it, fire up my mobile phone. You should see it now on the side there. There we go. So this is my mobile phone. You will need the Amazon Photo app from the Google Play Store or your iPhone store. So get the Amazon Photo app, open it up, and log into it on the same account your Fire TV is logged into, okay? So your Amazon account. You log into the Amazon Photos app and click on, at the bottom, you'll see one called Albums. In here, create an album called Fire Stick, okay? So I've created an album called Fire Stick. To do that, you can click on the three dots at the top, click Create Album, and call it Fire Stick, or call it whatever you want, as long as you remember. And then open that album, and what you'll see, I've got one photo in there. That is the photo you saw at the beginning. Here, you can add more photos. So you have three dots at the top, add photos. I've downloaded a couple of others that we can add in. I don't think we've got too much else on there we can add, which isn't just a bit random. So now, they're uploading to my Amazon. And what you will see is they are uploading now, and we will have extra photos in there. So once you've added those in, what you need to do, I did add a little video in there just so I wanted to look at something. I'll remove my phone. And what you can do, obviously on your Fire Stick here, you'll still click Fire Stick and you'll realise actually not much has changed. You've got one. I doubt it will change straight away. So what I normally do is restart the Fire Stick. So I'm going to quickly restart it. And that will restart for us. And I'm going to load it up, and I'm going to wait 5 minutes, and we're going to see if those new ones have added for us, okay? So now we've reloaded. As you see here, we've got a lovely different wallpaper. This was one of the ones we uploaded. You can put as many on there as you want on your slideshow, your screen show, whichever, and they all will scroll through as we go. It was quite a simple, straightforward step. If anyone has any questions, do comment underneath, and I will try and see them. If not, come message me on Twitter, it's the best place, or even Facebook on our page. Those are all linked directly underneath for you. again, you can upload pictures of your family, your favourite pets, sporting, or just nice locations you've been on holiday. You don't have to let Amazon pick your backgrounds. I think this one's a lovely one. I might keep this one personally. I might remove the other ones, and I think it's nice. I'm going to check it out on the big screen. Obviously, make sure you take into account the resolution of the pictures, because when stretched, they may not look so good. But hey ho, we've got it, we uploaded it, and it's brilliant. Before we go, if you can, do remember to hit that subscribe button. You'll find plenty more tips and tricks throughout the whole channel, whether it's streaming, whether it's movies, whether it's TV shows, whether it's setup guides, tips, tricks for your Firestick, other streaming devices, apps, all on one channel. We're closing in on 470,000, although we may have hit that by the time you get there. Plus, a quick word from one of our partners, exclusive birthday deal. Buy NordVPN and win an extra subscription time. So, check it out. If you're after a VPN, VPNs will go on your Firestick and other streaming devices. Good on your mobile phones, just to keep you safe online. So do check that out directly underneath. You have exclusive birthday deal. Buy NordVPN, win extra subscription time. Get the deal. Win extra months. Here we go on the 2-year plan. When you go to buy, you'll have that option, or you can just click the win extra months. You click buy now, and obviously you have to create your account, and it will go through it all for you. So do check it out. It's all there for you. We are affiliated with them. It is linked underneath on the top link. Also underneath, we've got some videos regarding setting up your Firestick, jailbreaking your Firestick, whatever you want to call it, all linked underneath for you as well. Brilliant. So I've been Doc Squiffy. This is the Doc Squiffy channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one. Remember to hit that thumbs up, drop me those comments, hit subscribe, and I'll see you soon.